In an age where the future is forged in silicon and code, the echoes of the past can sometimes fade into obscurity. Yet, what if the very essence of tomorrow's technology could breathe new life into the relics of yesterday? This is not a tale of mere restoration. It is a story of resurrection, a symphony of gears and algorithms, where a forgotten legend of the automotive world is reborn through the power of artificial intelligence. It is the story of the 1924 Durant Star Truck, a titan of its time, brought back from the brink of oblivion by the ghost in the machine. Imagine a place where history's silent sentinels stand, their metal hides weathered by a century of sun and storm. Here, amidst the quiet reverence of a forgotten landscape, sits a majestic 1924 Durant Star Truck. Its silhouette, a proud testament to the dawn of the automotive age, is bathed in the soft glow of dawn. But this is no ordinary sunrise. As the light catches its form, ethereal lines of data and shimmering holographic grids shimmer into existence, wrapping around its chassis like a digital shroud. The image is a striking paradox. A pioneer of the Industrial Revolution, now being cradled by the very hands of the digital revolution. This juxtaposition of rugged, time-worn steel and a luminous, futuristic matrix of light sets the stage for a journey that transcends time itself, a narrative where the soul of a bygone era is meticulously pieced back together by the intelligence of a new one. Before its rebirth, the Durant Star Truck was a shadow of its former glory, a forgotten gem slowly surrendering to the relentless march of time. Tucked away in a dusty, forgotten barn, it was a skeleton of history, its story told in layers of rust and decay. Close-up footage reveals the true extent of its decline. The once proud grille is a latticework of corrosion, its headlamps are clouded, sightless eyes, and its sturdy wooden flatbed is splintered and rotten, collapsing under its own weight. The vibrant paint that once defined its character has flaked away, exposing the raw, vulnerable metal beneath to a century of harsh elements. Each missing hubcap, each cracked pane of glass, and each silent, seized piston within its engine block spoke of a monumental challenge. To a human restorer, this would be a lifetime's work, a puzzle with countless missing pieces and no original picture to guide them. The original blueprints were lost to time, and the specialized knowledge required to fabricate its unique components had vanished with the generation that built it. The truck was not just broken, it was an enigma. A complex mechanical artifact whose language we had almost entirely forgotten. This is where human ingenuity reached its limit, and where a new kind of intelligence was called upon to listen to the whispers of the past. The moment of transformation began not with a wrench, but with a scan. In a convergence of past and future, advanced 3D laser scanners and high-resolution imaging systems, guided by artificial intelligence, began their silent, meticulous work. Beams of light, like digital archaeologists, swept over every inch of the truck's corroded surface. The AI didn't just see rust. It analyzed its depth, its chemical composition, and its structural impact, mapping out the precise boundaries between decay and salvageable material. Where parts were missing entirely, such as a fender or a specific piece of engine linkage, the AI became a digital detective. By analyzing symmetrical components on the opposite side and referencing a vast database of historical automotive designs from the 1920s, the algorithms began to extrapolate. They meticulously reverse-engineered the truck's design philosophy, recreating the original factory blueprints with a level of accuracy that was previously unimaginable. A mesmerizing time-lapse shows this process in action. On screen, a digital twin of the truck materializes, first as a ghostly point cloud, then as a solid wireframe model. The AI digitally disassembles the entire vehicle, component by component, creating a complete interactive 3D catalog of every nut, bolt, and gear. This was the genesis of its AI-driven rebirth, a digital resurrection that would pave the way for its physical revival. With the digital blueprint perfected, the process of crafting perfection began in the virtual realm. The AI, now acting as both master craftsman and production foreman, orchestrated the fabrication of each replacement part. Visualizations show the AI designing custom-forged components, its algorithms optimizing for both historical accuracy and modern durability. We see the digital model of a cracked engine manifold being repaired in virtual space, its structural integrity tested through millions of simulated heat cycles before a single piece of metal is cast. The virtual paint booth is a scene of incredible precision. The AI selects the exact shade of deep cobalt blue used by Durant Motors in 1924, analyzing historical paint samples to replicate its precise chemical makeup. Robotic arms, guided by the AI's flawless programming, apply the paint in layers, each micron-thin coat polished to a mirror shine in the digital environment. Close-ups focus on the restoration of intricate vintage details. The iconic star emblem on the grille is digitally sculpted, its every curve and serif restored to its original crispness. The plush leather of the cabin's bench seat is virtually stitched, and the wooden spokes of the wheels are digitally lathed and finished, showcasing a level of detail that borders on the divine. The entire truck is assembled in this digital cleanroom, a perfect, gleaming construct of data, ensuring that every single piece will fit together with microscopic precision in the real world. This was not just assembly, it was a digital ballet, a testament to the flawless precision and artistry that AI could bring to the sacred art of restoration. The transition from the digital dream to physical reality is a moment of pure magic. One moment, we are watching the final touches being applied to the truck's digital twin on a screen. The next, a seamless wipe reveals the real, tangible masterpiece. The fully restored 1924 Durant Star Truck stands gleaming under the warm glow of studio spotlights, its presence utterly commanding. The deep lustrous blue of its paint seems to drink in the light, reflecting the world around it with a perfect liquid clarity. The polished brass of its radiator cap and headlamp casings shines like gold, a brilliant contrast against the dark bodywork. Its wooden flatbed, now crafted from rich hand-oiled oak, is a work of art in itself. The camera slowly pans across its form, lingering on the details that were so meticulously planned in the digital realm. The perfectly aligned panels, the crisply painted logo on the doors, the restored gauges on the simple, elegant dashboard. This is not a replica. It is the original truck, its soul intact, its body reborn. It stands as a powerful symbol of renewal, a physical manifestation of the data and algorithms that guided its journey back to life. The grand reveal is more than just the unveiling of a restored vehicle. It is the celebration of a miracle, a moment where the past, present, and future converge in a single, breathtaking object of historical elegance and renewed vitality. This restored Durant Star Truck is more than just a beautiful machine. It is a bridge between two worlds, a moving testament to the powerful synergy between legacy and innovation. The final sweeping shots show the truck not as a static museum piece, but as a living, breathing part of the world. It drives along a winding, scenic route, its vintage engine humming a tune that hasn't been heard in decades. The sun glints off its polished hood as it navigates the gentle curves of the road, its form a striking contrast against the modern landscape. Each turn of its restored wooden-spoked wheels on the smooth asphalt symbolizes a journey through time. It carries the weight of its own history, the stories of the farmers, merchants, and builders who relied on its strength a century ago while being propelled forward by the invisible hand of 21st century technology. This is the ultimate fusion, the enduring craftsmanship of the early industrial age, preserved and perfected by the boundless potential of artificial intelligence. As the Durant Star Truck drives off towards the horizon, it leaves behind a powerful message, that the future is not about erasing the past, but about finding new and extraordinary ways to honor it, ensuring that the legacies of our heritage not only survive, but thrive for generations to come. The journey of this forgotten giant, from a rusted relic to a road-worthy legend, proves that with the right vision, technology can be the greatest custodian of history, unlocking its secrets and carrying its stories forward into a new dawn.